How y'all doing today? Good morning, good morning. Okay, so we got the 8-peel going. I have replaced all 8 peels. Only had 2 bad ones, but replace them all anyway. Get my volume. But anyway, got a 2-peel driver right here. See what we got. RMS. I have replaced feedback also. It's old feedback. $2,500 slug, top scale. Audio, hello, break, audio. Average. Peak. I think I was close to 1750. Audio, hello, break, test 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, audio, break. Okay, so Leon, you're all done, man. All finished. So I'm gonna say 73 to y'all. I'm gonna get top cover back on this and get this thing back to you this weekend. 73s, everyone. You know who it is. It's Fat Cat Amps, Alley Cat Town, Alabama. And I just got down and I'm gone. Catch y'all later.